Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, taking proper care of yourself. Students, today we are going to read one new lesson number 3, page number 23. So, quickly take out your pearl book, page number 23. Now, lesson number 3. What is the name of the lesson? Dressing up day. Dressing up means, do you know the meaning of dressing up? Dressing up means तैयार होना, dress up होना, dress up day. Dress up day means तैयार होना, किसी के जैसे imitate करना. Imitate means copy करना किसी को. So in the first picture we can see a gardener. What is written over here? Gardener. So can you all see gardener? What he is doing? He is watering the plants. He is watering the plants. So who is gardener, students? A gardener is a person who take care of plants, who take care of gardens, who take care of plants, watering them properly, putting seeds, putting extra things in it, take care of the plants. Okay, so what is a gardener? Gardener क्या होता है? जो माली, जो पेड़ पौधों की सेवा करता है, उसका ध्यान रखता है, उनको पता है उसमें कितना खाद डालना है, कब पानी डालना है. ओके, सो गार्डनर इज अ पर्सन हु टेक केयर ऑफ द गार्डन, हु टेक केयर ऑफ द plants. Okay, now in the second picture what we can see, a soldier is standing over here. Who is soldier? Tell me. A soldier is a person who take care of the country, who take care of the country. So student, tell me, in which country do you live? In which country do you live? What is your country name? India. What is your country name? India. So a soldier is a person who work for the country, who always work for the country, who take care of the people. हम सबकी वो रक्षा करते हैं. कैसे रक्षा करते हैं वो हम सबकी? वो एनिमी से फाइट करके हमारे को सेव करते हैं, हम सबको वो सेव करते हैं. हम अपने घर में अच्छे से चैन से सो सकें, उसके लिए वो जाग के हमारी रक्षा करते हैं एनिमी से. ओके, सो अ सोल्जर इज अ पर्सन हु टेक केयर ऑफ अस एंड प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द enemies and protect us from the enemies. Okay, now in the third picture one man is sitting over there. What he is doing? He is making pots, clay pots. Okay, so we call him potter. We call him potter. A potter is a person who used to make clay pots. मिट्टी के घड़े बनाते हैं. ओके, वो क्या करते हैं? क्ले के पॉट्स बनाते हैं, मिट्टी के घड़े बनाते हैं. हैड यू ऑल सीन पॉट्स? क्या आपने पॉट्स देखे हैं? पॉट्स में जो पानी होता है वो बहुत प्योरीफाई होता है, बिकॉज उसका जो भी पानी के अंदर जर्म्स रहते हैं वो उसको क्ले ऑब्जॉर्व कर लेता है और उसका ऊपर का पानी फिल्टर्ड हो जाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ इन द फोर्थ पिक्चर अ गर्ल इज स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर. She is holding one paper sheet in her hand. So who is she? She is engineer. She is engineer. Who is engineer? Tell me. It can be a boy also or girl also. Okay, so engineer is a person who design the buildings, who design the buildings. जो हमारे घर को, ऑफिस को, हॉस्पिटल को वो डिज़ाइन करते हैं कि कैसा वो बनना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now in the fifth picture one girl is standing over here. She is wearing white color. I am Simmi Baru. I am a doctor. So who is she? She is a doctor. A doctor is a person who take care of whom? Who take care of us when we are sick. When we are sick. So a doctor is a person who take care of us. He or she suggest us medicine, that which medicine we should take. Okay, so he or she cure us from the weakness. हमको जब कोई वीकनेस आ जाती है, हमको जब कोई बीमारी आ जाती है तो डॉक्टर क्या करते हैं? हमारा इलाज करते हैं. दे यूज टू ट्रीट अस. वो हमारा ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं कि हमको क्या प्रॉपर मेडिसिन चाहिए, हमको क्या इंजेक्शन लगना है. Now we are going to read the chapter, and after reading the chapter I am going to explain you the chapter also. Okay students, now turn the page. Lesson 3, Dressing Up Day. Gardener, soldier, potter, engineer. I am Simi Burrow. I am a doctor. What does Simi Burrow need? Circle the correct picture. Are you ready? Has anybody seen my shoes? Hurry up, please. I need to change. Don't eat now. You will mess up your dress. It is a busy day for the students of class. Everyone is talking. The school hall is full of noise and laughter. The children are excited. They are going to put up a show. They are all dressing up. They are dressing up as people who help us. At last, everyone is ready. The show starts. One by one, the children say who they are. I am a gardener. I take care of plants. I water them to keep them healthy. Plants make our world beautiful. Don't you think so? I am a potter. I make pots of different shapes. I make them on this wheel. I also make toys. Come and have a look at my pots and toys. I am a soldier. I guard my country. I fight for my country. I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. I am an engineer. I help to make a lot of things. I help to build roads and buildings. I help to make airports, bridges, and flyovers. I am a chef. I work in a hotel. I cook tasty food. What would you like to eat? I can make it for you. So, in this lesson, who all are there? Neha, Rahul, Susan, Jasbir. So, they all are there. These all characters are there in the story. So, what Neha said? The story starts with Neha. Are you ready? What she said? Are you ready? Ready means तैयार. क्या आप तैयार हो? She is asking question. Okay. Now what Rahul replied? Has anybody seen my shoes? Has anybody seen my shoes? He is also asking question. First Neha asked the question that are you ready? क्या आप ready हो? Then what Rahul said? He is also asking question that has anybody seen my shoes? Anybody means they all are standing in a group and he is asking to everyone that anybody has seen his shoes. क्या किसी ने मेरे shoes देखे हैं? It happens with us also. If we are searching for anything and we are not getting it, then we ask to all the family members or all the person nearby that had you seen my thing? It is kept over here. Okay. Now what Susan replied? Hurry up, please. I need to change. What he said? Hurry up. Hurry up means jaldi. Please. So what he is doing? He is requesting. When we say please, that means we are requesting to someone to do that thing. So what he is doing? He is requesting. He is requesting to his friends that I need to change. I need to change means मुझे change करना है. उसको क्या करना है? Change करना है. बदलना है. So what Jasbir said? Don't eat now. Don't eat now means abhi mat khao. You will mess up your dress. You will mess up your dress. What will happen? If he will eat or she will eat, then what will happen? If we eat with dressed up, then what happens? Sometimes it fallen down in our dress. So might our dress got dirty also. It is a busy day for the students of class 2. So they all are students of which class? Class 2. And you all are students of which class? Class 2. Okay. So everyone is talking. The school hall is full of noise and laughter. The children are excited. They are going to put up a show. They all are dressing up. they are all dressing up. They are dressing up as people who help us. At last everyone is ready. So what is going on in this lesson? It is a busy day. So students, in our school, if any function is going on, or we had organized any function, so what happened on that day? Suppose take an example of annual function. When it goes on, so what happened? Everyone is busy. Everyone is busy in their work, that this performance is going to come. Then teachers ask the student to be ready, hurry up, otherwise it will be late. So what is going on? Noise is there in the class, laughter is there in the class. Why? Because they all are enjoying in dressing up. So they are dressing up like whom? The people who help us. Who help us? Tell me. The people who help us mean like doctor, engineer. In our daily life we cannot do everything by ourselves. हमारी जो डेली लाइफ की चीज़ें होती हैं, हम सारी चीज़ें खुद से नहीं कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए हमको दूसरों की हेल्प चाहिए होती है. वी नीड हेल्प ऑफ अदर्स. सो व्हाट वी डू? अगर हमको खुद पढ़ना होता है तो क्या हमारी मम्मा पढ़ा देंगी? दैट इज सफिशिएंट टू व्हाट? नो, मम्मा तो पढ़ाती है. हम स्कूल जाते हैं. स्कूल में किससे पढ़ते हैं? टीचर से. और हम जब घर में बीमार हो गए हैं तो क्या हम खुद से ट्रीटमेंट कर लेते हैं? नो, वी गो टू द डॉक्टर. और हमको जब कोई चीज़ चाहिए रहती है, वेजिटेबल्स चाहिए रहते हैं, तो क्या हम घर में उगा लेते हैं? नहीं, हम मार्केट जाते हैं. तो हम हर चीज़ के लिए फॉर आर ईच एंड एवरी वांट वी डिपेंड ऑन सम और द अदर पर्सन. हम दूसरे पर्सन के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं. दिस इज हाउ लाइफ रन. इसी तरह हमारी लाइफ रन करती है. हमारी जो लाइफ है वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. हम किसी और के ऊपर किसी चीज़ के लिए डिपेंडेंट है और कोई और पर्सन हमारे ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो लाइफ ऐसे ही चलती है. So the school hall is full of noise and laughter. The children are excited. Why they are excited? See, it happens with us also. If we go for a picnic or any function is there or any marriage is there, then we all get excited. Excited means बहुत excited हो जाते हैं, encourage हो जाते हैं कि ये चीज़ होने वाली है, ऐसी होगी, हम ऐसे perform करेंगे, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. They are going to put up a show. So what they are going to do? They are going to put up a show. वो एक show करने वाले थे. They are all dressing up. So what they are doing? They all are dressing up. Any function is there, then what we used to do? We used to dress up. We used to comb our hair properly. We used to wear clothes. We used to do our makeup also. They are dressing up as people who help us. At last everyone is ready. So they all are ready to start up the show. They all are ready means the teacher, the staff, students, they all are ready. So what is going on in the lesson, students? One, they are talking about a class. Which class? Class 2 students. So what they all are doing? They all are getting ready for the function which they have to put in that function. What they have to do? They have to put up a show. उनको एक show present करना है. In that show, what they are doing? They are dressing up like a person who help us. The people who help us, like engineer, doctor, teacher, gardener, okay, carpenter. So they are dressing up like people who help us. Okay students, so they all are ready. They all are excited for the show. Now we are going to read what happened on the next. The show starts. One by one the children say who they are. The show starts. Show start हो गया था. One by one the children say who they are. So they are asking to each other that who they are. वो क्या बन के आए हैं. They are starting to recognize that like whom they had dressed up. वो किसकी तरह dressed up हुए हैं. तो वो एक दूसरे के साथ डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, पूछ रहे थे. I am a gardener. I take care of plants. I water them to keep them healthy. Plants make our world beautiful. Don't you think so? So what he say? He's just be. So what he said? that I am a gardener, मैं gardener हूँ. So he is telling his duties, वो अपनी duties बता रहा है, वो क्या करता है. He take care of plants. So what a gardener do? He take care of plants. He water them properly to keep them healthy. So if we take care of our health, if we take food on time, if we take water on time, why do we do all these things? To keep us healthy. Plant make our world beautiful, isn't it, students? Plant make our world beautiful also, and it keep the atmosphere clean, green. Okay, students, so plant are very useful for us. So it is beneficial thing for us, it is essential things for us that we should take care of plants. So gardener is a person who used to take care of the plants, because if plants are good, plants are healthy, then we also will be healthy. Why? Because plants give us oxygen, and we used to take in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide. So if plant will be healthy, then we also will be healthy. Now, the next paragraph. I am a potter. I make pots of different shapes. I make them on the wheel. I also make toys. Come and have a look at my pots and toys. So, a boy wearing pink color uh, kurta, what he is saying, that I am a potter. Potter is a person who used to make pots of clay से क्या बनाते वो pots किसमें बनाते हैं? See students, one wheel is over there, one big wheel is over there, and in that big wheel he used to make clay pots. वो clay के pots बनाता है, toys बनाते हैं. Are you all played with the clay toys? I had played with the clay toys. Had you all seen clay toys, clay pots? You all had seen it is there in your home also. So what this person do? He used to make the pots of different shapes, like tall also, small also, big one, short one, and he used to make different types of toys. And what he is asking to come and see his toys and pots. How beautifully he has made. See? Now the next paragraph. I am a soldier. I guard my country. I fight for my country. I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. So, a girl is standing over here wearing a dress of a soldier. So, she dressed up like a soldier. And what she is saying, that I guard my country. My country means मैं अपनी country की रक्षा करती हूँ. I fight for my country. वो किसके लिए fight करती है? कंट्री के लिए, नॉट फॉर हर सेल्फ, फॉर द कंट्री. और कंट्री के लिए लड़ना मीन्स हम सब के लिए लड़ना, हम सबकी रक्षा करना. आई एम प्राउड टू बी अ सोल्जर. उसको गर्व है, प्राउड मीन्स गर्व होना, उसको गर्व है अपने ऊपर कि वो सोल्जर है. क्यों? बिकॉज अ सोल्जर इज़ अ पर्सन हु टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस. जो हम सबकी रक्षा करते हैं, अपनी जान की परवाह ना किए बिना वो हम सबकी रक्षा करते हैं. अ सोल्जर इज़ अ पर्सन who stand on the border in the hot summer also and in cold winter also and take care of all of us. किसके लिए? हम सब के लिए. Okay. Now on the fourth paragraph. I am an engineer. I help to make a lot of things. I help to build roads and buildings. I help to make airports, bridges and flyovers. So who is an engineer? An engineer is a person who used to design the buildings, road, bridges, flyover. You all had seen flyover. Flyover क्या होता है? जो रोड के ऊपर एक रोड कनेक्ट होके जाती है, उसको फ्लाईओवर कहते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज ब्रिजेस? जो रिवर के ऊपर से ब्रिज जाता है, जिससे ट्रेन भी जा सकती है, हम भी क्रॉस कर सकते हैं. ओके, उसको ब्रिजेस कहते हैं. तो इंजीनियर एक ऐसा पर्सन है जो बिल्डिंग भी डिज़ाइन करता है, हॉस्पिटल भी डिज़ाइन करता है. अगर वो नहीं रहेंगे, वो डिज़ाइन नहीं करेंगे, तो हम ये कैसे बनाएंगे? सो अ इंजीनियर इज़ अ पर्सन who used to design all these things. Okay. Now, last paragraph. I am a chef. I work in a hotel. I cook tasty food. What would you like to eat? I can make it for you. So, a girl is dressed up in white color dress, and what she is saying, that I am a chef. So she dressed up like a chef. A chef is a person who used to cook food in the hotel. For whom? For us also. For us only. We used to go in hotel and order the things, and then who used to make? Do you all go in the kitchen and make the food for you? No. The chef used to make the food, and tasty food. We also go in weekends or in any vacation or in any festival, used to go with our family in the hotels, and we used to eat food over there. So a chef is a person who used to cook food for us. Okay. So in this lesson, what is going on, student? A function is going on, a class is there, class 2 students are there, and they all are dressed up like person who help us, people who help us in our daily life, because for each and other thing we used to depend on some other person. हम अपनी लाइफ में एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं, इसलिए हर एक पर्सन एक पर्टिकुलर काम में स्पेशलाइज होता है और वो वही काम करता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये सब किसकी तरह ड्रेस्ड अप है? लाइक पॉटर, soldier, teacher, doctor, so other professions. So they all dressed up and they are explaining about themselves, that what they are doing, what they are performing the duties. So this is all about the lesson. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now what is your duty to do? Your duty is to read this lesson once again, and what you have to do, you have to complete your previous assignment and click the picture of that assignment and then submit it in the assignment section in the same link. Okay student, I hope you all are taking care of yourself. Do take care of yourself and your family. Okay students, bye.